Okay guys, so this video is going to walk through our steps and making sure that we've got our setup of our soldering station all under control. So this is the way it should look before you start and when you finish. So if we have a look through what bits we have our soldering mat sitting in front of us. We have our soldering iron turned off and safely and securely in its holder. We have the extractor and our safety glasses on top. And what you should see here, which I had just been using, the side cutters and wire strippers that are hanging on the side there. Next you'll come along and you'll see we've got our helping hands, so 3 arms to the helping hands, and you would have needed to speak to your teacher to make sure you've got your soldering iron solder there, and either a damp sponge, or if we had our brass little pouches there ready to be able to clean the tip off when we need to. So they're the pieces that you need to make sure you've got in place. If you don't have those in place, you need to contact and let your teacher know that you're missing things or things aren't there. This is how it should look when you leave it. It should be neat and tidy every time.